Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I am Santri Aulia Praba from Office Application 7. Today, I would like to tell you about my daily activity. At 4:30 p.m., I wake up and stretch. At 4:45 p.m., I perform ablution and do morning prayer. At 5 o'clock, I make a still bed. At 5 p.m., I cook rice. At 6 o'clock, I sweep the floor. At 6:30, I went to the market with my friend to buy vegetables. At 7 p.m., I cook breakfast with my friend. At 7:30 p.m., I am having breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I take a bath and brush my teeth. At 8:30 p.m., I wash my clothes, then after that, I dry it. At 9 o'clock, I rest while listening to music. At 11:45 p.m., I perform ablution, then pray midday prayer. At 12 o'clock, I take a nap. At 1 o'clock, I wake up, then wash my face. At 1:15 p.m., I am having lunch. At 1:30, I take a bath and get ready to go to the course. At 2:15 p.m., I went to courses. At 4 o'clock, I go home. At 4:15 p.m., I perform ablution and salat asar. At 4:30 p.m., I lie down while playing on my cell phone in the room. At 6 o'clock p.m., I perform ablution and maghrib prayer. At 6:30, I am having dinner. At 7 o'clock, I perform ablution and isha prayer. At 5 to 8, I wash my face. At 8 o'clock, I play on my cell phone in the room. At 9:45 p.m., I sleep at night. Thanks all my daily activities. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon.